Hey art friends, today we are going to draw a unicorn popsicle.
And here's a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end. I hope you're really excited to follow along with us. We're using our pencils also and our erasers to draw the main shape of our popsicle before we use our markers to add all the details. But you can really use whatever you have, like colored pencils or even crayons. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Did you know we've got a whole series of how to draw books? We teamed up with DK to create 6 amazing titles, each one packed with fun, step-by-step lessons. The print quality is so amazing and they're really affordable too. We're so grateful for DK and excited to share these with your family. Grown-ups, you can learn more and grab your copies by clicking the link in the description below. First, let's use our pencil to draw the main shape of our popsicle. We're gonna draw a big upside down letter U in the middle of our paper. So we'll go up, down, a curve around, and down. Yours is huge. I'm gonna change mine so it's as big as yours. Oh yeah, it's bigger the popsicle, the better, right? Okay, I gotta erase this other line. And that's the nice thing about using a pencil is you can erase any lines you don't wanna keep. You could also pause the video and work on this step longer until you get it just the way you want it, and then press play again so that you can keep drawing with the next step. All right, let's draw the bottom of our popsicle now. I'm gonna draw, we could draw a straight line first to connect the bottom. Yes, and then we're gonna curve the corners so that it's not a sharp corner in the bottom. Then we can switch back to our eraser and erase the sharp part of the corner, but leave the curve. Now let's draw the popsicle stick. We could draw 2 lines coming down. Well, mine's really thick. I'm gonna make it smaller or skinnier. Yeah, draw straight lines coming down, and then I'm gonna erase those extra lines again. Then down here at the bottom, let's draw a letter U or a curve to complete the popsicle stick. Oh, it looks awesome. Now we need to switch to our marker. We can put our pencils off to the side, and we're gonna add all of our unicorn details. Let's start with drawing the unicorn horn up here. We're gonna draw an upside down letter V, and if you want, you could draw a sharp point, or you could draw a little curve. Yes, that looks awesome. And then we're gonna draw a curve down here, so it looks like a raindrop or a carrot shape. Next, let's draw our unicorn's hair, except this could be frosting because you don't want to eat hair, right? Let's draw, we're gonna go outside of the pencil right here. We'll go a little higher on the horn, and then we're gonna draw an S curve that comes down and then curve the other way. So it goes outside, yeah. And then let's draw it curving back into the horn or the bottom of the horn. Then I'm gonna draw a little curve coming down further. And then we're gonna draw it curving back up and connecting to the horn. Then let's draw one more little diagonal line or straight line coming down. And I'm gonna draw it curving around like this all the way out to the side and then come past the pencil line. Yes, that's awesome. Okay, there's our unicorn mane. Now let's draw the ears. We can draw a little ear coming out and curving down. Then in the same place, so about here, we're gonna draw that same ear shape on this side. And I'm gonna come down to the pencil line. Yes, okay, now we're gonna draw the outside of our popsicle shape. We'll just trace over the pencil line that we've already drawn. I'm gonna draw down to the curve here, and then I'm gonna come back up to this side and draw this coming down to the curve. Then if you want, you can turn your paper sideways. Sometimes that makes it easy to draw a straight line for the bottom of the popsicle. Good job, are you having fun?
Yes.
I love how yours is turning out, it looks really cute. Okay, now let's draw the popsicle stick. We can trace over the pencil line, 2. Then let's draw the frosting. I'm gonna draw a wavy line, a big wavy line. So there's really only 3 little bumps. You could add more if you want. Then let's also draw our unicorn's mouth, little letter U, and a circle for the eye and a circle for the other eye. And then let's color in those circles. And we did it! We finished drawing our little unicorn popsicle, except we still need to
color it.
Yeah, this part we'll fast forward, so remember to pause the video and color your drawings too. Now, before you color, remember to switch to your eraser one last time and erase any of the pencil lines you can still see. All right, you ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Teryn, we did it! We finished coloring our little drawings and they turned out awesome. I hope our friends will take time to color their drawings.
Yeah, I really like how these turned out, especially the colors.
Yeah, but our friends, you guys can change the colors. You don't have to do it the same as us. You could also add a background.
Maybe you can draw yourself getting ready to eat the popsicle.
Yeah, you could draw your big face back there.
We hope you had fun drawing your unicorn popsicle with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.